Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in this first DIY, I'm basically taking some of the florals that I used in the carrot decor piece and just using them in these metal planters that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'm just stuffing the stems in these planters. I'm not doing any real arrangement to them. I'm just stuffing the planters and just giving it a wild look. That's what I'm going for. And sometimes I think, we as crafters can overdo things. Sometimes I think we can just leave things as is and they can be beautiful. Meaning that, like with these planters, there's no need to paint it. It's pretty as is. So now moving on to DIY number 2. And basically what I've done was took 2 of the Dollar Tree 11 by 14 frames and I created a window pane out of them and just glued everything together using some of that hot glue and a dab adhesive glue. Now you see me sanding some of that shiny film off of the frame itself because I am going rustic. You all know that's my thing, rustic farmhouse decor with a little boho. So yeah, so this fits right up my alley. And again, I did this off camera, so you will not see it recorded. But all you do is just take and get some flat dowel rods, create your frame, or the panes in the window, just create that using some of those flat dowel rods and you got you a window. And now I'm taking and reusing one of the floral boxes from a previous DIY, and again I am going to secure it to this frame using that dab adhesive as well as some hot glue. The hot glue only because it will provide a quicker hold. The dab adhesive I had for a while, so it's not as strong as it once was, but this works really well if you use it timely. And now I'm taking some of these florals that I purchased from Michael's, and you'll see a couple of them. You may have even purchased some of them from Michael's, as well as a couple from Dollar Tree and Walmart. And I'm just making an arrangement. Again, this one I took a little more time with, but I'm just basically filling up the planter with florals. You see I have some of that onion grass from the Dollar Tree, and then I have some of these ferns from the Dollar Tree. Just a vast array of just beautiful florals. And this really came together and I can't wait for you guys to see it. But first, I want to welcome everyone to the channel. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to my returning subscribers. I pray that you all are having a great day or had a great day and your evening is equally as great and that your week be blessed. Also, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to the channel. So guys, what are you up to? Can you believe we are almost at Easter Sunday, Resurrection Sunday? I tell you, time stops for no one. You hear me? And again, guys, you see I'm just adding different florals. I'm cutting them down. Just different ways of just adding to this piece. And guys, I am going to take this piece to work and I'm going to keep it there. That way, during the different holidays, I can just switch out the florals for the season. But guys, this turned out so cute. I can't wait for you to see it in the reveal that's coming up now. Look at this, guys. As wild as these flowers are, the container itself that is in the flower pot, the planter, is cute. Again, I love this. I love the wildness of the florals. Just everything about it. I just love it. And like I said, sometimes less is more. And in this case, not doing anything to the planters was just perfect. And this is my favorite for tonight. Now I could have really did something with the florals that's right there in the front. You see right there, those white ones that just hanging out like a sore thumb. It's okay, but it's still cute. Very pretty in person. And I'll fix that whenever. But guys, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, click on that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. Until the next DIY, bye.